DJM TV.
Them don't release the Jangebe school girls for Zamfara. My correct person, now what did they sup? By your side, what did they happen? I welcome you to yet another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. That place where you for the get the ogbonge story then about what did happen for inside our Obodo Nigeria and all around the world. If this is not the first time when you see any of our videos, I beg, what you go do be saying, you like the video, share the video, then you subscribe. Touch that bell when you need to subscribe so that anytime we will drop news, better ogbonge story, you will be the first person to know say better don't land on top of your one-stop channel for better gist, DJM TV. Now, we dey bring you follow up on the Zamfara school adoption wey take place for Government Girls Junior Secondary School Jangebe for Zamfara State. Remember I thought say never to tell what I say they kidnap about 317 girls from the school wey they count, and they carry them comot for their body school early on Friday morning. Very early, around between 1 and 2 a.m. That is the kpake happen. They move the girls they comot for their body school, go inside one unknown place there where nobody fit find them, you understand? And then many times government call on the military to make sure say they release the girls sharply. You get the matter now? Zamfara State Commissioner for Security and Home Affairs, Abubakar Darun, I tell news people to say the people wey go catch these girls come up for their school, so they reach almost 100 for inside the matter. Now the tori wey they come now to us be say them don't release the school girls. The Commissioner for Security and Internal Affairs don't tell news people say a total of 279 students now them release. And these students, so presently as we talk, they live for the state capital Gusau, and the government they take care of them to make sure say they go, the psychological stress. Okpoyibo and also I don't speak English, calm down. The stress they don't go through now, their emotion, all this kind of thing, they kidnap them, catch them, go inside bush, get as it be, so it don't disturb their mind. So government don't carry them go government house to go take care of them. Now you go say 379 they kidnap. Why they release 279? Where the remaining ones? Well, the Commissioner for State Security and Internal Affairs don't tell these people to say they be give wrong figure when they say 370 girls and they back say because the figure no correct. Say na 279 students and they cash. Say they not leave any girl behind. Although some parents don't come out and to say their children they not kidnap them, some of their children hide for inside bedroom. And that bedroom some of the hide, so now they take safe. And now the Commissioner for Security and Internal Affairs for Zamfara State, because say the people the way come, they not leave any school girl behind. Well, we don't know how to confirm that one, but now what they talk be the matter. Meanwhile, Oga Bubu, wey be the president of Nigeria, don't come outside call assure Nigerians say the thing wey happen so for the Government Girls Science Secondary School Jangebe, wey they take catch some of the girls they come up from school. Now it go be the last time wey such thing go ever happen. But we not forget say barely a week before they carry these girls, they carry some boys for Kangara for Niger State. But they don't release those boys now. In case you never hear that news, they don't release those boys as well. Now the girls too, they don't release the girls. But Oga Bubu they assure Nigerians say now the last time when they go kidnap students come out for school be this. Well, parents not one year whether they go be the last time or the first time. Zamfara State government don order say make all boarding schools for the state may they close now for till further notice, because they no 1 year matter. Because come like now body school and the target. So you say me all body schools may they close. Oga Bubu talk say now the last time they go kidnap students come out for school be this. Now the Minister of Aviation, Senator Hadi Serika, will lead the federal government delegation to sympathize with the people and government of Zamfara. Now he talk this one. He say new measures don dey developed by the federal government wey go bring about patapata end to all form of criminality for inside our obodo Naija. He say the thing pay the personnel well. Say they catch the students dey comot for school for Jangebe, and he come say e dey reassure the people of Zamfara State and in fact the whole of Nigeria say government don get all the resources and all the things wey dem need to take dey catch these criminals dem. Say Oga Bubu don also commend Governor Bello Matawalle of Zamfara State for im effort against armed banditry. I don promise to continue to dey support anything wey go bring about lasting peace for the state and indeed the whole Nigeria. The man also tok say the federal government go continue in partnership with the Zamfara state government and the citizens to resolve the security challenge wey the state dey face. Well, the governor of Zamfara State, Governor Matawalle, appreciate Buhari and the federal government for their concern, and he notice say as they don release these adoptees dem, so everything go dey okay. Say he strongly believe say the federal government led by Oga Bubu wey be the president go put effort to fight all form of insurgency, and in dey urge am say abeg Oga Presido, make you improve on the nation's security so that people go fit go school safely. He say na by this synergy now say security agencies don get, dem go fit dey confront these criminals dem, and dem go fit coordinate this confrontation both for ground and for air, understand, at the same time. Well, people wey lead that delegation go meet the Zamfara state government. They include the Minister of Police Affairs and the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Disaster Management, and also the Minister for Women Affairs. Now these people dem na go meet Zamfara state government say we dey sympathize with una for wetin happen o. Oga Bubu don promise una say na the last time wey dis thing go happen for the whole of Nigeria na be this. Meanwhile, parents don gather for the school. The school dey heavily guarded by police. They don gather for the school, dey wait for their children as they go deliver them. And really they come bring the girls, they come, but they carry the girls, they go the state capital the first. Many of the parents, like one man don say 5 of his children na dey kpake. Say children dey between the ages of 12 and 16. Say 5 of his daughters na dey carry. Na dey the school rather. Say 4 na dey carry, but 1 hide inside bathroom. Na make dem no fit catch, dem no fit carry that one. Say that they happy say ones escape o, but then they happy say they kidnap the other 4. But when they happy say they don't release them right now, and the Nigerian president Muhammadu Buhari say government don't make sure say all the hostages they return safe and unharmed. You understand? Oga Bubu don't charge all military parastatus for Nigeria, say oh yeah, sharp. Make una make sure say this kind of matter no happen again. You no wan hear this kind of thing again for Nigeria. See the matter so. You no wan hear am at all. For one related news, so United Nations Secretary General Antonio don strongly condemn the adoption of these school girls, and he don say make government make sure say dem do everything to ensure the immediate and unconditional release of the girls and safe return to their families. He say any attack on school na violation of human rights and the right of the children wey dey for the school. You know the matter. Na all these kind of things dey na make Oga Bubu don charge the military, and somehow they don fit release the girls dey come outside. But they say na 279 girls na they release, because na the only people wey dey catch comot for the school na be that. Well, we dey happy say finally they don fit release these girls, you understand, because the trauma, okay, I don speak big Oyibo again. The pain wey the parents dey go through, the wahala wey dey inside their hearts. Some of them no dey fit sleep, so cry, they go dey cry. E no easy. You can imagine say they catch your pikin, leave you, and you no even know where they carry the pikin. Even if you know where they carry am go, they kidnap am, they answer ransom. Not even for me, for federal government wey be like say, you know the matter now. You know how the pain. So the parents, they dey very happy right now. Say finally they don release their daughters. And I know say some of them for inside their mind will say lie. You no get wetin go carry their children go school again. Now this kind of things na dey make most people no dey go school, you understand? Insecurity for even our educational system. Right now, following the way they take dey kpake, dey move people, especially that 2020 so, they move people comot for school. Between 2020 and this 2021 wey we dey so, between the space of how many months, 3 abi 4 months, kidnap wey don take place don reach 3. I think e suppose to prompt the government to make sure say security dey for boarding schools, especially for all those northern areas, not only northern areas, so even if I make all the state government make sure say the boarding schools for their states dey secured, highly secured, with in fact if possible military presence, especially for the northern part of Nigeria, military presence for all these schools. But you know say sometimes even military presence dey scare children, dey make dem dey fear how dem wan take learn inside that kind situation. But anyway we happy say dem don fit release the girls finally, and all of them come back safe and sound. We thank God. At least their parents now go fit sleep close eye, make sure say their pikin dey near them. Well, we dey hope say as Oga Bobo don say na the last time wey dem go ever kidnap for Nigeria under a watch be this. We dey hope say anything they don get them in mind to do to take fit stop this moving away of people from their school, it still go dey possible. Well, how you see this matter? You believe say na the last time when they go do any of this kind of moving away from school or school children be this? You believe say as Oga Bobo talk as so, say they don put an end to kidnapping for Nigeria? How you see this matter? Shook your mouth put. Well, now we take come to the end of our daily news update for DJM TV. Make you not forget to subscribe, abeg, turn on notification bell. That will be bell for they just touch am. Go dey give notification, go dey notify you, share you message say we don come again with better news. Well, until we come your way again, not forget say I dey always tell una security na everybody concern for the nation. Anything you fit do to keep your neighborhood safe, abeg make you do am. My name still remain Lawo Favor, and this na DJM TV daily news update. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.